In Hartford, similar story here. For people, it's difficult to walk on the sidewalks and even drive around the city. Fox 61's Solene Arif shares how you can report any sidewalks that still haven't been cleared.
When I was out here talking with neighbors, a worker with 311 came by to check on a property that wasn't shoveled. They tell me anyone can call 311 to report a sidewalk covered in snow, and someone will come by to check out the issue. Property owners who don't clear their sidewalks face a fine of $99 a day until they remove the snow. With all the snow across Hartford, 311 employees are staying busy.
The snow has impacted a great deal.
We caught up with Nicole Nieves, whose last name actually means snow in Spanish. And while she loves her name, she doesn't love walking through mounds of it.
The snow removal is causing a lot of delays. However, people are not willing to at least help in the process.
She says she shoveled the area by her house, and now she needs everyone else who hasn't to do the same.
That right there is very hazard. People are constantly walking the roads. As of right now, I'm walking the roads as well. You have to have sturdy shoes.
Our camera captured multiple people walking on the roads where the sidewalks weren't cleared or cleared poorly.
It's a bit annoying, especially when I got to keep looking back to make sure I don't get hit by a car.
Jack Santiago says this whole thing is a mess. People are sharing the road with cars, and cars are having to watch out for people in their lanes. He says this can get really dangerous really fast.
Roads are a little bit thinner, like it's harder to get past each other and everything. And people walking in the street, like the sidewalk's not even really that, not done perfectly or good enough.
Now back to what you can do if you see an area that needs snow removal. You can call 311 or email them, but it's probably faster and easier with the app. Check this out. You can submit photos of the area and even share your complaint anonymously. Just search Hartford 311 in the App Store. In Hartford, Solene Arif, Fox 61.